just got off work and I'm on my way home. Need to wake up Amy again. I already called her once and woke her up. So I don't know if she stayed up or not. I don't think much is going on today. I'm trying to find out if we're doing a bike ride tonight. Yeah. Find out what else I'm doing today.
It's Friday. Where are we?
Food stamps.
Food stamp stuff. To the bank, and then to the bill place, and then to Kinko's because I gotta print out some badges for some commissioners, and then I don't know what's happening. Spider. This is taking forever. Blame you.
So I just finished up at Pet Boys, and because I had to buy some stuff for the scooter, and I left Amy over at Kinko's, and now I have to go back and get her and take her home, and then I guess back to Kinko's because, well, one of the files she was working with is corrupted, but oh well.
So we are on our way back to the house. I got the commissions done, which are nice. I'll show you guys this. These are some of my badges. I made 9 and it was like pretty decent. I like how they came out. Yeah, on the way back to the house, then what?
I want that trailer.
Tony wants a trailer. And I don't know what's happening apparently. Off we go on another adventure. Adventure time! Come on, grab your frame.
Stop.
Your deck.
So we're on Thai food again, and look who showed up again.
Wait a minute. You got a new camera.
Yeah.
Nice. Good. I was tired of that flip camera.
Is Kate still out there? That was delicious.
I'm delicious.
No, that was delicious. No. After stuffing ourselves full of Thai food, motherfucker, I don't care that there's a car there.
The car cares.
We are doing something that involves something, and then more something. Woo! Let's do something!
Look everybody, I'm hipster today. I'm here at work, alone. My bosses don't really come in much on the weekend. And my coworker is not here yet. So, I'm here setting up the shop. I think the only thing we got going on today is fighting. And then I have no clue.
It's super hella windy right now. And we're at fighting. Well, yeah, Tony's fighting. And we're just sitting here enjoying this sunny, windy weather. I got hit in the jaw. You're like drooling. Ew.
Look what we found.
Why are you using such a weird camera? That's not your camera. Is it a new camera? Ooh, it is new. Are you going to use this more that Dave uses his camera?
Yes, we've already used it.
How's the video quality?
Bitchin'. 1080p.
I don't know what that means.
It reminds me of the portal cake. The cake's a lie. They look so cute.
So, for the end of Saturday, me and Andrew are making dinner. Making Amy's mushrooms and tofurkey sausage thing. Pasta noodles. This is ours. We're just gonna have the tofurkey, mushrooms, peppers, onions. And we've got Brussels sprouts. And while me and Andrew are cooking, well, mostly Andrew, because he's cutting, there's only one cutting board. Dogs are being lazy. Amy's sitting here recovering from her broken jaw.
Oh no, oh no! Kitty, stop!
And Lindsay is wasting her life watching cat videos.
Characters, even if you apply for 2005 medical researcher.
I wonder if he can snore any louder.
Is a creek in 2,500 dining tree that represents Director Darren or
Whiskey, get it.
Lindsay, watch this. This guy's a creeper.
Yeah. Get it.
Hey, Tim. Listen, I just want to say thanks a lot for the party. It's great. Yeah. Rushed you up.
Me? Oh, no, of course not. I mean, no, not completely. Because I would understand if you...
So we decided to let Lindsay play with power tools to finish. Shut up, Lindsay.
But it makes me want to keep. It makes me want to go.
Andrew and Mike are just kind of sitting. You're kind of standing.
I'm kind of standing.
Andrew's sitting. He watered the grape plants and then just sat there.
Tony's going in the tree!
Hoisting me.
Sounds like Tony's farting. Excuse you, Tony. Oh, geez.
Just grab a handful.
A good handful.
Oh no, this thing will slow it down a lot.
You're not going down the fun way. So, Andrew wants eucalyptus leaves. Can't climb it, too smooth of a tree. Me sitting on Andrew's shoulders doesn't make us tall enough. So, we're going to ninja our way up the tree.
This place is a 3 liter of beer.
Oh, the towers.
We're here with people. Look at the little bug. Look how little it is. We call him Sticky. We found him here. Goodbye, Sticky. We're making cookies right now. See, cookies.
Yay,
Lindsay.
cookies!
Lindsay likes cookies.
I love cookies. Not as much as cupcakes.
Lindsay's also sick. Stop dying. Look at the delicious cookies that we created. There's like a retarded turtle. That's the retarded turtle. There's a twisty one and then just regular cookies.
They're tasty.
They are delicious. What's Tony going to school for? Never any. And I don't know. What are you going to school for?
Right now I'm taking a bunch of philosophy classes, but I have absolutely no clue what I'm going to school for. What my actual major is going to be.
This question is from Shaniness22. Question: is Mike not vlogging anymore? I only saw 2 and I really like them. Mike, are you not vlogging anymore?
I'll do it when I'm ready.
He'll do it when he's ready. So that's our weekend, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And you gotta check out Mike's channel, of course, and Straps. Everyone go watch Straps right now. So, piss off, guys. Later.